Now let's add a vignette around this girl, okay? Because all the colors are kind of the same in this image and I want her to stand out. Let's go back to the first clip. And now we need to do some magic. So first let's add in another node again, add serial node with the second node selected. Let's go over here, the masking tab. Now I'm going to click this one, the circle one, and I'm going to drag this one out. So the first one, not the second one, because the second one is for the feathering. And I'm going to drag this out as well. And now you see that we have a mask over our subject, but I want the subject to stay the same and the edges to be affected, right? So I'm going to click here, which is inverting the mask. And now you see that everything else will be affected except for our subject. And then all you have to do is just drop the offset and you see the edges become more dark. Now, if you want to know how that looks, let's play the clip again. And here's a before. So it's very dull and it's all kind of the same. And then here's the after one. And the focus is on her. Much, much better.